Oh, this is a lovely bit of rainforest just over the north side of Mount Fortescue on our fourth and last day of the Three Capes track. So they're man ferns and some very, 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 very tall timber. Beautiful spot. Nice just to pass up through the way we've just come. Lovely hard track, well purposefully made that way so that mud and diseases aren't carried in. Oh, there's a tall one. And fabulous experience. Nice to walk with friends at times and just walk alone at other times. Pretty dry though, all the mosses and lichens and things are a bit worse for wear, but it has been beautiful weather. So here we go, down these lovely steps.